Hi guys, today is pour countertop epoxy day. I'm not doing the whole countertops right now. Right now I'm doing the upright pieces that are going to act like backsplashes. I've just spent the last hour and a half getting everything prepared because as soon as you start mixing these two things, you got like 20 minutes, 25 minutes to get it all out and get it where you need it before you're out of time and it gets too hard to work with. I've got the resin and the hardener here. I've got my dyes. I've picked a dark, it's like a cappuccino color. That's going to be the base color for the countertop resin. And then I've got spray bottles here with my other colors in them. One is bronze. I don't know if you can see the color very well. Bronze. I've got one that's like a gold and one that's a lighter brown that's more like milk chocolate. So those are in spray bottles with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Because when you pour the epoxy resin down, you spray some of this on with the pigment in it, and it'll give you a really nice stippling effect. You'll see it later. I got my buckets. I got my mixer. I'm going to mix by hand today because it's not a very big batch, and because my mixer is like a mixer for mortar and it's gigantic, and I think it's a little overkill. So, gloves. I have a bucket with some alcohol in it here and a cloth because I found when I was pouring my test pieces, did figure out that having this handy to throw my tools in and get them cleaned right away is a good idea, because once the epoxy starts hardening up, it gets ridiculously sticky. This is only my second time ever doing this, so I am not a pro. I'm going to make mistakes. Don't take what I do as gospel. We're going to make 600 mils in total today because I don't have a whole lot of pieces. And I was told by the gent at the store that we want to pour the hardener into the resin. So we'll pour the resin first. That's my pigment already measured out. So I'm going to mix that in. It says mix for at least 5 minutes, so, but no more than 10. You can already see the color. It's like poured bronze. Very cool. So it says to mix into 2 buckets so you can get it really good mixed. So I am going to move this to the big bucket now.